Unit 2, My Beloved Motherland. Which is our motherland? India is our motherland. Do you like India, children? Motherland? I like very much. This is our motherland. New words of this lesson. First one, the Nilgiri Thar. The Nilgiri Thar is the only mountain ungulate in southern India amongst the 12 species present in India. It is also the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Which is the state animal of Tamil Nadu? Nilgiri Thar is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Second one, Gloriosa lily. Gloriosa superba is a species of flowering plant in the family Colchicaceae. Which is a state flower, children? Gloriosa lily is a state flower. Next one, emerald dove. Emerald doves are found in the dense forest in Asia and Australia. The emerald dove is a member of the pigeon family. They are a common type of dove, yet they are rarely seen due to their shy and secretive nature. Which is our state bird, children? Emerald dove is our state bird. Next one, palm tree. They grow in hot climate. Palm trees are in a botanical family of perennial lianas, shrub and trees. They are the only members of the family Araceae. Which is next our state tree, Kabaddi. Children? Palm tree Kabaddi is a contact team sport played between two teams of 7 players. Kabaddi is a contact team sport played between two teams of 7 players. Which is our state game, children? Kabaddi is our state game. Next one, jackfruit. The jackfruit also state fruit. Tree is well suited to tropical lowlands and is widely cultivated throughout tropical regions of the world. It bears the largest fruit of all trees, reaching as much as 55 kg, 120 pounds in weight, 90 centimeter, 35 inches in length, and 50 centimeter, 20 inches in diameter. A mature jack tree produces some 200 fruits per year. So, which is our state fruit, children? Jackfruit is our state fruit. Next one, responsibility. Responsibility means being dependable, making good choices and taking accountability for your actions. A responsible citizen looks out for the well-being of others and understands we all have a part to play in making the world a better place. Don't spit in public places. It is harm to others, so don't spit in public places. Next one, scribble. Don't scribble on walls. Scribble, S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E. Scribble. Don't scribble on walls. Next one, maintain silence. Maintain silence in the public library. Don't disturb to others, so maintain silence in the public library. This is about the new words of this lesson. Now we are going to discuss about state symbols of Tamil Nadu. What are the state symbols of Tamil Nadu? This is a list of state symbols of the state of Tamil Nadu in India. The state was formed on 1st November 1956, but its emblem was adopted in 1949. Let us see one by one. First, we are going to discuss about our state animal. Which is our state animal? Nilgiri Tar. The Nilgiri Tar is an ungulate that is endemic to the Nilgiri Hills and the southern portion of the western and eastern Ghats in the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala in southern India. Which is our state animal? Nilgiri Tar is our state animal. Next, we are going to discuss about state flower. Which is our state flower? Gloriosa lily is our state flower. Flame lily or Kartigai Poo is our Tamil Nadu state flower, has entered the endangered list in Karnataka thanks to climate change. This is about our state flower, Gloriosa lily. Which is our state flower? Our state flower is Gloriosa lily. Next, we are going to see our state bird. Which is our state bird? Emerald dove is our state bird. The dove is also known by the names of green dove and green winged pigeon. Emerald doves are found in dense forest in Asia and Australia. The emerald dove is a member of pigeon family. They are a common type of dove, yet they are rarely seen due to their shy and secretive nature. This is about emerald dove. Which is our state bird? Emerald dove is our state bird. Next, we are going to see the state tree. Which is our state tree? Palm tree is our state tree. Palmyra is the state tree of Tamil Nadu. From the leaves being used for manuscripts to the split trunk being used as roof joists, Palmyra trees had been an integral part of Tamil life. They grow in hot climate only. Palm trees are a botanical family of perennial lianas, shrub and trees. They are the only members of the family Ericaceae. This is about the palm tree, our state tree, palm tree. Next, we are going to see the state game of Tamil Nadu. Which is our state game of Tamil Nadu? Kabaddi is the state game of Tamil Nadu. Kabaddi is a contact team sport played between two teams of 7 players. Kabaddi is the state sport of Tamil Nadu. The word Kabaddi is derived from the Tamil word Kaipidi, meaning to hold hands. It is known as the Sadugudu. This is about the state game of Tamil Nadu, Kabaddi. This is about the state game of Kabaddi, Tamil Nadu. Which is our state game? Kabaddi is the state game of Tamil Nadu. Next, we are going to discuss about state fruit. Which is our state fruit? Jackfruit is our state fruit. Banruti in Tamil Nadu is often considered to be India's jackfruit paradise. There is much demand for the fruit from this town, and no part of the fruit goes to waste. In India, it is states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu that have professed their love for the jackfruit, declaring it as their official state fruit. This is about the state fruit, jackfruit. Which is our state fruit? Our state fruit is jackfruit. Jackfruit is our state fruit. Okay, children. Next Roman is write N for the national symbols and S for the state symbols in the box given. Name the pictures. Shall we do, children? Yes, come on. Very good. First one, Nilgiri, Thar, Lotus, Banyan tree, Mango, Ganges, that means Ganga, Emerald, Dove. First one, see this picture. What is this? This is lotus. This is national symbol or state symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is national symbol. So we should write N. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. See the second one picture, children. What is this? This is river. That name is Ganges. That means Ganga. This is national symbol or state symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is national symbol. So we should write N. Ganges. G-A-N-G-E-S. Ganges. That means in Tamil Ganga. See this bird. Emerald, dove. This is state symbol or national symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is state symbol. So we should write yes. Emerald dove. E-M-E-R-A-L-D. Emerald dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Emerald dove. See this tree. What is the name of this tree? Banyan tree. This is state symbol or national symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is national symbol. So we should write N. Banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Banyan tree. See this animal. What is this? This is Nilgiri Thar. This is state symbol or national symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is state symbol. So we should write yes. Nilgiri Thar. N-I-L-G-I-R-I. Nilgiri Thar. T-A-H-R. Thar. Nilgiri Thar. Say this fruit. What is this? Mango. This is national symbol or state symbol, children? Yes, very good. This is national symbol. So we should write N. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Lotus, national symbol. Ganges, that means in Tamil Ganga, national symbol. Emerald dove, state symbol. Banyan tree, national symbol. Nilgiri Thar, state symbol. And last one is mango, national symbol. or responsibility. Or responsibility means being dependable, making good choices, and taking accountability for your actions. A responsible citizen looks out for the well being of others and understands we all have a part to play in making the world a better place. Some places and things like public toilet, road, street tap, park, hospital, school, and classroom are used by all of us. It is our responsibility to keep them neat and clean. So, we keep the public places neat and clean. This is our responsibility. Don't spit in the public places, covering the nose while sneezing and covering the mouth while coughing are three important hygiene practices. It is necessary to control the spread of respiratory transmitted infections such as TB, influenza, common cold, pneumonia. So, don't spit in public places. Don't scribble on walls. Don't throw waste in public places. Form a queue. Use the public toilet. Don't use the road open spaces. Maintain silence in the public library. Don't tear or scribble in the books. This is public library, so maintain silence. Don't tear or scribble in the books. Look here children, why do we need to use a toilet? Toilet use is essential to the survival and development of all children in India and around the world, as exposure to human waste causes diseases such as diarrhea. For women and girls, sanitation is important for their health, safety and dignity. Toilet use is not just for important for the health of children but for national progress. Toilets are essential and healthy communities and contribute to the social and economic development of India. The simple act of hand washing with soap before food and after defecation cuts diarrhea diseases by 40%. So, we need to use a toilet. Look here children. Color the circle red for the don'ts and green for the do's. Shall we do children? See this picture. This boy is spitting outside by travelling bus. Is this correct activity? No. So we should color in red. This woman is sweeping. This is correct activity. So we should color in green. See this picture. They are fighting and disturbing others. So, we should color in red. This boy is arranging slippers. This is correct activity. So, we should color in green. See, this activity is throwing waste by travelling car. Is this correct? No. So, we should color in red. He is a scavenger. He is collecting the waste from everyone. This woman is giving waste to the scavenger. Is this correct activity children? Yes, this is correct. So, we should color in green. Look here children. Book evaluation. First Roman. Write the names of the national days for the given dates. Shall we do children? Yes, come on. First one, Independence Day. INDEPENDENCE Independence Day, DAY, day. Next one, Gandhi Jayanti, GANDHI, Gandhi Jayanti, JAYANTHI, Gandhi Jayanti. Next one, Children's Day, CHILDRENS, Children's Day, DAY, day. Next one, Republic Day, REPUBLIC, Republic Day, DAY, day. Republic Day. Look here children, they are given some dates. First one, August 15th. August 15th is what is the important of this date? Is this Gandhi Jayanti or Children's Day or Republic Day or Independence Day? Which is the right answer? Yes, very good. Independence Day. 15th of August is we are celebrating Independence Day. 15th of August is Independence Day. Second one, January 26th. What is the importance of this date? Gandhi Jayanti is the right answer? No. Children's Day? No. Republic Day? Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. January 26th is Republic Day. Next one, 14th November. What is the special of this day? 14th November. Independence Day is the right answer? No. Gandhi Jayanti? No. Children's Day? Yes, very good. Children's Day is the right answer. 14th November we are celebrating Children's Day. What is the special of 2nd October? Independence Day is the right answer? No. Gandhi Jayanti? Yes, very good. 2nd October is we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. 15th of August, Independence Day. 26th January, Republic Day. 14th November, Children's Day. And 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Circle the hard one. Second Roman, circle the hard one. Shall we do, children? Yes, very good. Come on. Mango, Bengal tiger and banyan tree. These are the national symbols or state symbols. These are the symbols of national. So jackfruit is a state symbol. This one is the hard one. Circle the hard one. Jackfruit is the hard one. Second one, palm tree, Nilgiri tar, lotus and emerald dove. Palm tree, Nilgiri tar and lotus, these are the symbols of state symbols. So lotus is the national symbol. So this one is the hard one. Next one, saffron, green, red, white. Saffron, green, white are national flag colors. Tricolor, saffron, green and white. Red is the hard one. So red is the hard one. January 26th, 15th of August, 2nd October, November 12. These are the days of national days. January 26th, 15th August, 2nd October. January 26th is the Republic Day. 15th of August is Independence Day. Then 2nd October is the Gandhi Jayanti. So, which is the hard one? November 12 is the hard one. Which one is hard one? First one jackfruit, second one lotus, third one red and last one November 12. Look here children, next Roman, select and circle the name for the given picture. Shall we do children? Yes, come on. See this picture. What is this? This is lion? No. This is elephant? No. This is Bengal tiger? Yes, this is the correct answer. So, circle this Bengal tiger. This is the Correct one. Next one. See this picture. What is this? This is duck. No. This is dove. No. This is peacock. Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. So this picture is peacock. See this picture. What is this? This is Kaveri. No. This is Vaigai. No. This is Ganges. That means Ganga. This is the right answer. This picture is Ganges. See this picture. What is this? This is mango tree. No. This is neem tree. No. This is banyan tree. Yes, this is correct answer. This picture is banyan tree. See this fruit. This is banana. No. This is apple. No. This is jackfruit. Yes, jackfruit is the right answer. So, we should circle this jackfruit. This picture is Bengal tiger. This picture is peacock. This picture is Ganges. That means Ganga. This picture is banyan tree. And this is jackfruit. Look here, children. Next Roman, draw a line connecting the symbol with its name. Shall we do, children? Yes, very good. Come on. See this. They are given some pictures and their names. Shall we connect, children? Yes, very good. First one, emerald dove. Which is the right answer? Is this correct? No. This is, yes, very good. This is the correct answer. Emerald dove. This is the emerald dove. Second one, gloriosa lily. Gloriosa lily. Which is the right answer? This is correct? No. This one? No. And this one? This is the correct answer. Gloriosa lily is the correct answer. Next one, palm tree. Palm tree. Which is the right answer? See here. This is the palm tree. This is the right answer. Palm tree. Second one. What is this? This is a fruit named mango. Which is the right answer? See this. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango is the right answer. This is kabaddi. Kabaddi. Where is that words? Kabaddi. Here. So this is the right answer. This is kabaddi. Next one, lotus. Lotus, where is lotus? Look here. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. This is the right answer. Lotus. Once again, emerald dove, gloriosa lily, palm tree, mango, kabaddi and lotus. Look here, children. Next one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. They are given some names. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. D.R. Rajendra. R-A-J-E-N-D-R-A. Rajendra Prasad. P-R-A-S-A-D. Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit P-A-N-D-I-T. Pandit Jawaharlal. J-A-W-A-H-A-R-L-A-L. Jawaharlal Nehru. N-E-H-R-U. Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. State fruit. State fruit. S-T-A-T-E. State fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. State fruit. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. M-A-H-A-T-M-A. Mahatma Gandhi. G-A-N-D-H-I. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Nilgiri Tar. N-I-L-G-I-R-I. Nilgiri Tar. T-A-H-R. Tar. Nilgiri Tar. Dash was the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, very good. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, very good. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Second one. The first President of India was, who was the first President of India? Yes, very good. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of Free India. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next one. Dash is the father of our nation. Who is the father of our nation? Yes, very good. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Next one. The state animal of Tamil Nadu is, which is the state animal of Tamil Nadu? Nilgiri Tar. Nilgiri Tar is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. The state animal of Tamil Nadu is the Nilgiri Tar. Last one. Jackfruit is our state fruit or national fruit? Yes, very good. State fruit. Jackfruit is our state fruit. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. The state animal of Tamil Nadu is the Nilgiri Tar. Jackfruit is our state fruit. Look here, children. Tick the correct behavior and cross the wrong one. See the first one picture. This boy is using toilet in the public place. Is this correct behavior? No, this is wrong one. So, we should put wrong mark. These girls are sweeping, cleaning. Is this correct behavior? Yes, very good. This is the correct behavior. So, we should put the tick mark. This boy is putting the waste into the dustbin. Is this correct behavior, children? Yes, very good. This is the correct behavior. So, we should put the tick mark. This boy is throwing the waste into the public place. This behavior is correct? No, wrong. So, we should put the wrong mark.